Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a free editing software that is available in all Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad or a MacBook that you could use to make your own YouTube videos or any type of videos that you could share with friends or families. So first I'm opening the App Store where you could download the app. So you have to search up iMovie and you can see right here the iMovie app right here, and there's going to be a get button or install button right here, and you have to press it and install it. But I already have installed iMovie, so I don't have to do it again. And so now I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm opening iMovie. As you can see right here, it's already installed. And after it has opened, you could see this plus button right here, and you have to press it, and you could see there are two options. So the first option is a movie, so where you could create your own videos, photos or movies, and there's on the second options to make a special template for a Hollywood like movie trailer, and I'm going to get the movie option. And when it's opened, you could see you could edit your videos from here, any type of videos, and there's going to be a media where you could choose your videos. So I'm just gonna scroll down, and from here you could get your videos or photos, and there's going to be a plus button where you click that to import your videos so you can edit them, or you could just drag them down, and you have to make the scale higher so it's easier for you to edit your videos. You can make it higher, but one is just enough. And from here you could cut videos, so you press the part you want to cut, and with two fingers press it, and there's gonna be a lot of options. So you have to split the clip and then do that again to the part you want to cut with two fingers, and then split again, and then that middle bit right here you could delete to chop out the parts you don't need. You could also adjust the volume to mute them or make them less quieter, and you could also add text or titles or backgrounds. So as you can see here, you could drag them right there wherever you want, and then you press the text thing, double click, and then you could add any text. And after you have made your own video, you press this button right here, and you could export your videos pressing this. And the best thing about this is there is no watermark, and you don't have to charge anything. They don't charge you anything, and it's 100% free. So that's basically today's video, and I hope that you found this video interesting and it helps you make your own YouTube videos or any videos you could share with friends. And comment down below if you had any issues, and I'll try my best to answer your comments. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.